Hey everyone, my name is Pritam and watching Tech with Pri. Welcome to my channel and I'm back with another exciting informative tech video for all of you. And this video is part of the ServiceNow CAD exam preparation playlist. Okay, so as you know, on last week I have posted this ServiceNow CSA exam preparation full guide video which covers everything you need to know to become a ServiceNow system administrator and be ready to clear your ServiceNow CSA exam on the updated Yokohama series, right? So I have got many requests that Pritam, when the CAD exam preparation video will come. So this is finally here, guys. Now this video will help you to understand each and everything you need to know to become a ServiceNow developer and clear your CAD exam with updated Yokohama syllabus. So after watching this video, you will have clear idea on the updated syllabus for CAD exam, differences between the old Vancouver version syllabus and this new Yokohama version. So I will compare side by side and I'll show you what are the changes that has been done in the new syllabus. So the Vancouver one is late 2023, so around October, and the Yokohama one has released on July 2025, right? So I'll compare both the syllabus so that you understand what are the changes ServiceNow has made for the CAD exam. Now next, very importantly, I'll tell you about how different playlists like ServiceNow Developer, ServiceNow Integration, ServiceNow and JavaScript, this playlist will help you to start your ServiceNow developer journey. So as you can see the name of the video, so it's a full guide video so that you can start your ServiceNow developer journey. And after that, definitely I'll talk about the how the membership content, like this one, ServiceNow CAD exam preparation playlist, okay, which contains 90 plus CAD exam preparation question. So I'll tell you more about it and how this will help you to clear your CAD exam. Finally, I'll also tell you about my upcoming videos that will come in this ServiceNow developer playlist, okay, as I want this playlist to be updated for all of you. So make sure you watch the full video to understand each and everything that you need to know to start your journey as a ServiceNow developer. So I can consider all of you who are watching this video right now has clear understanding about these ServiceNow basics and the ServiceNow system administrator topic. I mean, whatever I've covered in this ServiceNow system administrator topic, or maybe you have learned from other sources, that is also fine. You must have this knowledge of all those topics, okay? Now you are watching this video because you have decided, right, to become a ServiceNow developer. So you don't want to stop your learning journey till administrator level. So no worries, this video will help you for sure to guide you the correct path that you need to follow, right? As you know, right now in the market, ServiceNow developer is the most demanding, I'll say again, most demanding job. So there are so many companies that are looking to hire ServiceNow developer because of the ServiceNow's unbelievable growth which is happening for last few years, right? So keeping all this in mind, I have created different playlists so that it can help all of you to become a ServiceNow developer and definitely clear the CAD examination. Now let me tell you honestly that you need to have basic programming knowledge for your ServiceNow developer journey. You need to have that, okay? Now what do I mean by basic programming knowledge? So it's nothing but understanding concepts like variables, data types, if-else statement, function, method, class object, constructor, etc. And why you need it? Because as a ServiceNow developer, you need to deal with certain situation or certain use case, okay, or certain client requirements, whatever you say, where you need to apply scripting logic, like in business rule, in a script include, client script, okay, email script, and many more other areas. So if you are the one who is not good at programming or from non-tech background, relax guys, you don't need to worry at all. This ServiceNow and JavaScript playlist will help you to have full confidence on programming. So let's go into this playlist and let's see what content we have here. Alright, so this is the playlist I'm talking about, which is the ServiceNow and JavaScript. You can see total I have 22 videos, which is having 70k plus views, okay? So this playlist I have dedicatedly created for all those people who are having some difficulties understanding programming, okay, who are not from technical backend, okay, technical background, but wants to learn ServiceNow development. So for those people, these 22 videos will help you. So once you're done with this video, you will have a clear understanding on the programming. You will be confident on working on programming. You can see I've started with how this playlist will help you to learn JavaScript. Okay, detailed video. Then introduction to JavaScript, a basic idea of JavaScript regarding the code editor where you should practice. Then JavaScript value and variables we have. Okay, and then we have different data types. So these are kind of same like value, variables, operator precedence. You have this concept on every programming language. Like if I talk about Python, if I talk about Ruby, whatever language you choose, any object oriented language have these concepts, like JavaScript also. So JavaScript is also having these concepts, and I cleared all these concepts in this video. Operator precedence. Then we have few members only video for practicing for the practice purpose exercise video. Then we have the if-else statement, very important. Boolean logic, truthy falsy values. Okay, then we have template literals, again another exercise part. JavaScript switch statement. Okay, ternary operator, function calling function. We have array, again another exercise. Different array methods, very important. Then we have for loop, break continue statement, while loop, for in loop, for off loop. Different types of loops are there that I explained with the live use case. And this is the final video, class, object and constructor, very important. All of this video contains a use case where I try to solve it, right? Again, I'm telling this playlist is only for those who are having, less confident in programming, who does not have any programming background. Other than that, you can skip this playlist and you can directly jump into the ServiceNow Developer playlist, which is the most important playlist for any one of you who are watching this video and wants to become a ServiceNow developer. So let's open that playlist and let's discuss what are the videos and how it will help you to become a ServiceNow developer. So here we go. This is the playlist I'm talking about. So the series name as ServiceNow Developer or the playlist. Total you can see 36 videos I have, and the total view is more than 266k till the time I'm recording it. Okay. It starts with a very important video of welcome to ServiceNow development. So where I explain like what are the things I'm going to cover. Then we are directly jumping into the understanding different API of ServiceNow. Okay, these APIs are very important because you are going to call these APIs and different methods of this API to fulfill your objective or the requirement. Okay, so what is this API, why it is needed, that is explained in this video. Then I have the glide record video. This is example of one of the API, one of the most popular API, glide record. Then in different parts, like in 2 parts, total in 3, I have completed the whole glide record understanding part and the different methods of glide record. Okay, then I jump into the glide system, another very popular API. Again, you are going to use a lot. Again, I explained it and what are the different methods we have. Also, I've shown practically in my PDI. Then we have the ServiceNow glide form, another API. Okay, client side API. Again, explain all of this thing, all of the important methods and stuff. Then the glide user API. So these APIs and this explore ServiceNow API, these videos will already give you an understanding of how you are going to use, how in a different situation you are going to use different kind of API and their methods. Okay, this video will clear this concept. Then after that, from here we are trying to learn about how we can access the server data from client. Very important concept, with the help of the G underscore scratchpad. And then another example, get reference, callback, with callback or without callback. Both the things I have explained, both the benefits of which you should go for, everything I have explained in this video. Then very importantly, use cases of business rule. So if you are following my channel, if you are watching already my ServiceNow system administrator video or the JavaScript video, so you know this. First I try to explain the topic and then I try to give the use case, try to work on the use case so that you can understand these things practically. Again, I'm expecting whether you are watching this ServiceNow Developer series or the ServiceNow and JavaScript series, you are practicing whatever you are learning from the video. Then only you would be able to learn quickly and you would be able to learn in a perfect way. Then we have what is script include. Again, different type of script include I have explained here. Classless, script include, use case. Again, everything contains with a use case. Client callable script include, glide ajax, very important video. Okay. Then I have how to return multiple values from script include with the help of JSON object, another important. Then we have 3 complex use case of script include. Again, more use cases are available in my member special videos. So if you want to watch, then you can definitely join my channel. All right. Then we have 3 use cases of UI action. With all the use cases, the more you are watching, the more you are practicing this and doing these use cases, the more confident you are becoming as a ServiceNow developer. Use case of UI action and then custom application. So from here, I have totally taken a completely different approach. That is to building custom application. See, if I talk about as a developer and also like certified application developer, the CAD examination, okay, so that tells about building and custom application, building an application from the scratch. So starting from here, ServiceNow custom application up to this part, custom application part 10. So this 10 to 12 videos, including this two, these 12 videos will help you to build your custom application, your own custom application from scratch. Okay. And then finally after this, I have some videos on ATF, 3 videos on ATF. Now again, ATF is not directly part of the CAD exam. So these 3 videos are very important for a tester who are going to work in a testing environment. Okay, test different things. You'll understand more about ATF and stuff if you watch this video. It's a very, very important one. And also being a developer, you should have at least basic idea of ATF. So this 3 video, you can go for it and you will have great idea on it. Again, you can see it's completely with the live use case. Okay. And finally, this is the last video I have uploaded 1 month back regarding the SNUtils, a very, very powerful tool, guys. You can see I've named the video the weapon of ServiceNow developer for ServiceNow developer. Whoever already watched the video, they know it's a very, very powerful tool. And as a developer, your life would become very, very easy. Okay, after watching this video, that's my guarantee. All right, so this is the ServiceNow developer playlist. Okay, now before getting into the other playlist that I have, let's try to understand the syllabus. Let's try to understand the syllabus of CAD examination, the updated syllabus and the old syllabus also. I'm going to compare it. Okay, let's see what are the changes we have made, and then again I'll talk about other playlists which are important for CAD examination, and finally I'll talk about the exam preparation playlist where we have 90 plus questions. Okay, so let's understand the syllabus, let's understand the changes together. All right, here we go. So we have the latest syllabus on the right hand side, which is updated July. You can see certified application developer CAD exam blueprint. Again, I'm going to send the link in the description, don't worry. And this is the 2 years back, updated on October 2023. This is the again ServiceNow certified application developer, but this is old version syllabus. So let's quickly understand and see the differences what we have. So if I come here, exam scope, let's see. So this is the syllabus side by side. All right, so on the left hand side we have the old one. It is the designing and creating an application. Okay, 20% same, and determine if an application is good fit with the ServiceNow. Design and implement a data model, create modules, use application scope. Same we have on the right hand side. Again, these 4 things are completely covered in my ServiceNow developer, the custom application building. Okay, all these things are covered. Then application user interface, like create, design and customize forms. Okay, so each of these things has been explained in all the custom application part 1, 2, 3, what I've already shown you. Okay, then we have the add and remove fields. We have same on the right hand side. Write, test and debug client side scripts from desktop. Okay, write, test, debug server side script. Use a record producer as an application UI. Again, the video of record producer I have shown you already in my admin series. Okay, here we have the record producer. I have worked practically on this. Next we have security and restricting access. Again 20%, same 20%. Restrict access to the application and application modules. Okay, manually and automatically create, test and debug access control. Okay, this is very, very important. Manually and automatically create, test, debug access controls. Again, use glide system method to script security. Again, I have a dedicated video on glide system that explain different methods of glide system, so no need to worry. Then we have the use application scope to protect application artifacts. Again, what is the use of application scope? Everything I have explained, don't worry. Next, another 20% we have from the application automation. If I scroll down, again on the right hand side we have the same thing. Write, test and debug workflow and flow designer, same on the right hand side. Again, I have video for this. Create and use application properties. Again, in the custom application video, I have shown this. Create events, schedule script execution, which is schedule jobs, and utils application script includes. Utils includes, that is a script include, you can see same here. Here, design and create homepage reports. This part was there previously in the old syllabus, but in the new syllabus we don't have it, homepage and reports. However, report is a completely different and very important topics. And also for event, schedule script execution, all these things are explained in my custom application creation video in the creation parts. Then we have the working with external data, like how you can import data, CSV and Excel format. Again, we have the import data. Integrate to including testing and debugging on external data source using REST. So this is a little bit of integration idea, how you can do this stuff. Same we have debugging, external, integrate to including testing and debugging on external data source using the REST. Okay, that is being covered. I'll show you in a minute that how this is being covered in my playlist. Then lastly, managing applications, download and install applications, use delegated development to manage source code and code review. Here you can see use the ServiceNow Git integration to manage source code. It says use update sets to manage application development. So the Git integration is not there in the syllabus anymore. However, I've shown you in my custom application video how you can connect with the GitLab or the GitHub. It's a very, very important. You should watch it because these integrations are important for future also. Okay, so you can see almost few things are here and there we have changed, other than everything remains same. Now regarding the ServiceNow integration, let me quickly show you. So here we go. This is the completely new playlist, ServiceNow integration playlist, okay, which contains 8 videos total. It's not about specifically for CAD exam playlist, but this playlist is all about ServiceNow integrations. If you are familiar with this term integrations, you know very, very important nowadays this integration concept. So you can see this service integration, web service integration, REST API, how it is done inside of ServiceNow, then outbound REST message with the help of business rule. Here I have a completely building custom application, which is the weather application, how you can do it with the help of the integration, connecting with third party that I've explained. That is available for the members. Other than that, REST integration, REST API Explorer, all these concepts are there. And lastly, these 2 videos are very, very important in my channel. I've got a lot of comments on these 2 videos, like Postman to ServiceNow using OAuth 2.0 and basic OAuth. Here I try to explain everything you need to know about OAuth 2.0 and how 2 different applications like Postman and ServiceNow is connecting with each other. This whole playlist is not required for you if you are just planning to clear CAD examination, or if your target is to clear CAD examination. But if you want to learn, or maybe after clearing the CAD examination, if you realize that this ServiceNow integration is something that is important to me, then you should go for it. If you ask me, I would say, first of all, your target should not be, clear CAD examination. Your target should become a ServiceNow developer who can work as a ServiceNow developer for clients and able to solve their problem, able to understand their problem, able to understand their requirements and try to find a solution as a developer. Okay, by thinking this way only, I have created these all playlists. Now if I go back to the syllabus, now there would be few videos that I'll be covering. So my target would be to create a video on this client-side script debug and testing for server-side script debug. Okay, this is very, very important. Other than that, I'll try to talk about more about sending, receiving email, more about the email scripting. I'll try to cover it up here. I think for CAD exam, rest of the things are already covered, but I'll see what are the more things I can add it. Let me tell you, ServiceNow developer journey doesn't end in this way. Okay, it continues. The more you will work, the more you practice, the more you will learn about it. But definitely in future, I'll talk about ServiceNow in implementation videos as well. Okay, and how you can prepare for the exam. All of these things will be coming. Don't worry. Now, very last thing. Now, finally, this ServiceNow CAD exam preparation playlist that I've created almost 9 months back, and this is for the same way I have created the CS exam preparation playlist, the same way I created CAD exam preparation playlist, especially for the members, so that you can get help or get idea about the kind of questions that could come in the exam. Again, these questions are collected from the reliable sources. So you can see again, same like ServiceNow CS exam, all these 3 parts are available for all of you, and then rest of the part are available for the members. So you can get access to all the parts, to all the more than 90 plus questions as of now, because more questions I'm going to upload in this year whenever I get new updated questions. Okay, and this will be added. So if you join my channel, then you will get access over this whole playlist, all the videos, including my other playlist, which is the ServiceNow complex use case, another playlist I have, where I have different complex use case videos of for complex scenario special video, that is for ServiceNow Developer. So again, there's a very minimal subscription for joining my channel, very less than what you pay for Netflix or Amazon Prime. Okay, very less. After completing your CSA or the ServiceNow System Administrator course, if you are not good at programming, if you have weakness, or if you are not from technical background, then this playlist, ServiceNow and JavaScript playlist, will help you to prepare for the ServiceNow Developer. If you're okay with programming, then you can skip this playlist and directly jump into this ServiceNow Developer playlist, which contains again near about 40 videos where I've shown you different concepts with practical use cases, and very importantly, how you can build your own custom application from scratch. Then ServiceNow integration playlist to clear your concept about integration. Again, all these videos will help you to understand ServiceNow integration in more better way. Finally, if you join my channel, then you will get access over these 90 questions, which are very important for CAD exam. So this is a full guide for clearing your ServiceNow CAD exam and preparing for ServiceNow Developer. Okay, it's not going to happen in a day or 1 week. Okay, you have to give time, you have to go through each and every video to understand the concepts. Okay, practice it in your PDI and slowly go forward to different playlist. Okay, remember, your target should be enjoying the whole ServiceNow developer journey. If you can enjoy the whole ServiceNow developer journey, then you can easily clear your CAD exam because already you love it, right? So all these 4 playlists will give you a confident for becoming a successful ServiceNow developer. And then stick with my channel, because there are so many new videos are going to come in the integration playlist, so many new videos are going to come for the members, so many new playlist is going to come for the ServiceNow developer, because like I said, ServiceNow developer journey is a huge journey. There are so many different areas that you need to focus, different domains you need to focus. So each and everything slowly also I'm going to upload. Stay with the channel, support the channel. I'll try to give my best, whatever it takes. Okay, all right, so I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye, take care.